cozy season approaches, I've been looking back on some of my favorite memories from last autumn and dreaming about all the new ones I'll create this year. I can't wait for nature walks in the crisp autumn air, cozy crafts and recipes, and those misty, rainy autumn days I love so much. Lately, I've been looking out for all the little changes in nature that mean the fall season is on its way, and the mornings in particular have been so much colder over the past couple of weeks. I've been starting each day by putting on my robe and slippers and making myself some breakfast and a nice hot cup of tea to warm up. Today, I'm making some toast with spiced pumpkin seed butter. The recipe is up on my blog, and this has been a fall favorite of mine for a couple of years now.
I think too much. I wake up tired and terrified. Started feeling weak. You grind your teeth, can't hide your bloodshot eyes. Talking in your sleep. Guess we're on a losing streak. But we're in good company. I feel better when you speak. 'Cause you know the words to comfort me. My car won't start. Our weekend plans fall apart. Dagger to the heart. Just when it gets hard, you are a monster, really are. Climbing up the dark. Guess we're on a losing streak. But we're in good company. I feel better when you speak. 'Cause you know the words to comfort me.
Good morning, friends. I hope you've all been doing well. I am so excited because I woke up today and it was 65 degrees outside. It is the coldest morning we've had so far since the beginning of the summer, and I am so ready for the fall season to begin, and I'm in such a happy autumnal mood. And in that spirit, I wanted to spend today getting ready for the fall season. So I've been wanting to clean and redecorate my art desk for a while because I spend so much of my time there creating and just spending entire days at that desk, and it feels so good every once in a while to refresh my space and get ready for the season ahead. So first, I'm going to run to the store and take a look at all of the fall decor, which always makes me so happy, and I'll see if I can find anything to decorate my art desk, and then I want to spend the rest of today getting ready for the season ahead. So if all of that sounds good to you, go grab yourself something nice and cozy to drink, and let's get started, friends. At the store, I picked up some supplies to make little moss and flower arrangements to decorate my desk. I made made a floral terrarium for my art desk earlier this year and I loved how it turned out, so I wanted to make an autumnal version today. To get started, I'm cutting the edges off some floral foam blocks just to give the foam a bit more of a natural shape. Next, I'm cutting some cardboard pieces into irregular circles. These are going to become the bases for the floral arrangements. Then I'm gluing the foam onto the cardboard pieces and letting them dry. Next, I'm painting the bases with some brown and green acrylic paint just to create a natural looking background for the moss. Then I'm pressing dried flowers into the foam. Once my flowers are placed the way I want them, I'm gluing pieces of dried moss onto the base. I'm creating different designs for each of the arrangements and using a blend of both dried and artificial flowers, and I really like how they look together. And to finish these, I'm adding some dried mini pumpkins from a bag of potpourri. These aren't actually pumpkins, but I'm not sure what they're technically called. I believe there's some sort of pod or seed, but if you know what they are, please leave a comment below. I would love to know what to call these. And I'm also adding some mini pine cones.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you.
So I'm all done setting up my desk and I'm so happy with how cozy and autumnal it feels. It always surprises me how just changing up a couple of things can make a space feel so different and fresh and new. And now I'm so excited to go into the fall season and work on all of my autumn projects with my new desk setup. So I use a monthly, weekly physical planner to plan my whole life. This is the one I use. It's from Rifle Paper Company, and I love this planner. But I have tried digital organization and using like Google Docs and different apps to try to organize my projects, and I just can't do it. There's something about my brain. I need to have my physical planner and have all of my to-dos written down in order to process them. But whenever I have a really busy month or season ahead, I will start in my bullet journal and I'll write out all of the things that I need to do and any important dates and have that big picture outline, and then I will transfer all of those things into my planner. So I'm going to start with that and outline all of the things that I need to do for September in my bullet journal. So when I was at the store earlier today, I got this pumpkin spice tea from the Republic of Tea. This is one of my favorite fall teas. It's wonderful. It is so comforting and delicious and perfect for fall. So I want to make myself a cup of this tea, and I've been craving kind of a sweet treat after dinner, and so I'm going to make some pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls in the shape of pumpkins. I'm just using some store-bought cinnamon rolls, and these are actually pumpkin spice flavored, but you can of course use any cinnamon rolls you like. And I saw this trick on Pinterest where you just take some kitchen twine and you tie it around the rolls so that when they bake they look like little pumpkins. So we'll give it a try and see how they turn out. before we say goodbye, I just wanted to thank all of you so much for watching. I'm planning a lot of fun things to share with you this autumn, and I cannot wait to spend my favorite season with all of you. Good night, friends, and I will see you next time.